Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So first of all, thank you so much everybody for giving me the great response for your UiPath Communication channel series video which I have posted recently. So I've got huge response, and also I could see how people are interested to learn about latest technologies in UiPath. So with that, I wanted to start the series. So this is a basic and small video which will help you understand what UiPath Communication Mining is actually, and where we use and all of that things, and a little background about how the process actually works. So this video is mostly concentrating on that. I'm not going to too much in details because I wanted to keep it as basic as possible. This is a short video to just make you understand what UiPath Communication Mining is. So without any ado, let's get into the video and see what it is. So firstly, in order to understand a concept, how I derive the path is like, how my learning path I will set is like, first I'll try to understand what's the problem statement for a particular solution, right? So if we consider communication mining as a solution, so first we need to understand what's the problem statement, because the problem statement will give you the enough idea about what the business is actually, and where all we have such a challenges in the business, and how this particular tool or how this particular solution will help us to resolve it. So that's how, if we can drive our learning path, it will be easy to understand the concepts more clearly. So I wanted to derive this particular way in order to explain you about the communication mining. So as we all know, every business, even a small or big business, every business is built on communication, right? Every business needs some communication. Even at some or other point, we need to communicate. We need to have a conversation in a business, right? So whenever these conversations are happening, if let's say if I am sending a message, maybe an issue, or if I wanted to communicate something, there can be some things that needs to be highlighted or that needs to be addressed on priority, right? But if there are a lot of messages or a lot of emails for that matter, right, so that will have an impact on the business if they're not responded on time, correct? So this is one problem statement, because on day to day, the emails, the chats, the conversations, the people are getting interacted with each other or keep on increasing. As these conversations or these emails keeps on increasing, the time taken for responding back will also get increased. And when I talk about a conversation, it can be an email, or it can be a chat, or it can be a ticket, or it can be anything that the business operates, right? So all these types of communications, it's very difficult for a single person to go through and to respond and on time resolve all of these things to make the customer happy. So and at the end, what is the problem that a business is facing is, this will cause a decrease, or it will cause a dip in the customer service, right? We cannot serve the customer as the mails or keeps on increasing, and there's no way that we cannot respond, or we can skip certain types of customers, right? So definitely this will decrease the there will be a dip in the customer service, and this will have an impact on the brand and also the customer sustainability, right? So this is the problem statement. So I hope you got a clarity about what the problem statement is. As the mails or the conversations or the the medium of communication, it can be an email or chat or a text or a ticket or anything. As this keeps on increasing, it will be difficult for a human user to respond back on time and to resolve the issues that are faced by the customer, right? So this is the problem statement. So how do we draw a solution for this? That's what communication mining is used for. So this, what all the business areas, what all the business conversations that we are doing, all these conversations will be identified by the communication mining. So basically this communication mining uses natural language processing, which is a branch of AI, right? So this utilizes NLP, and it has the ability to read and to understand the human language. So it will read and understand, and it will convert that all unstructured data. So what I mean by unstructured data, as I've highlighted you that there are multiple types of communication forms. It can be an email, or let's say if it's an email, right? So I write my email in one way, you write in another way, and there can be 100 customers who are responding or who are emailing me. There can be 100 different ways, right? There cannot be a same structure or same format. So all these unstructured data can be retrieved, and this tool utilizes the natural language processing, and it will try to convert, it will try to process this unstructured data into structured data by using natural language processing, and that can be utilized for the next process. Or if I have to put this in a definition wise, then what a communication mining actually is. Communication mining is a tool. Okay, so this was formerly called as a reinfo. So communication mining is a tool that utilizes the natural language processing in order to convert unstructured data into the structured data, right? And this can be later utilized for automations or for analytics or for responding back to the customer by using different types of automations which we already know. So in order to do this whole process, we use communication mining as a tool. So I hope you understood what communication mining is and how this helps, what's the problem statement, how we draw the solution by using the communication mining. So yeah, I'll talk about more what are the different phases, what are the fundamentals for training these models, and how do we train that, and all of that in the coming videos. So if you like this video, please do let me know in the comments, like the video, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.